to the concerned place for transporting the sand, then the portal has said, portal is displaying the challan is en bloc. Without giving any notice. We made a representation, my lord, page 22. Although it was a Bengali, they have received it. Only we have requested the ADM to unblock my e-challan. After making such representation, my lord, kindly come to page 23.
Yes.
23 to 26.
Yes.
But what they have stated, my lord, it appears from the enforcement cases detail number so and so in WMDTCL portal that a violation case is being initiated for expiry of challan.
Yes.
My lord, what they are doing, my lord? Suppose we are loaded the sand in Jhargam.
Correct.
Now we are coming to the national highway. Every day, some other now political legislation, so many things.
But kindly come. Page 21, the challan is up till 12/11/2025 at 2:30 p.m.
2:30 p.m.
Correct.
Yes.
And as per the hearing notice initiated for expired challan against the vehicle number so and so on 13/11/2025.
13. Yes.
So 13/11 there was no challan.
No challan.
Then
no, but there is no sand also there.
But
only, Malad, there. If there is only we have received the challan on 21, page 21.
Page 21.
Because there is no challan before that.
Was yes, till page 21 till 12 November 2025.
But Lordship, can you see the in the third line of this so-called notice? Third line, Lordship, can is very important.
Correct.
On 13/11/2025. Now, Lordship, can is 12/11/2025 to 12. Another, because of this fact, my lord, there is some agitation in the national highway. The road was struck off due to no entry made by the police authority. What the truck will do, my lord? What the truck will do? Every day there is an agitation, so many parties, national highway block. So what the truck will do, my lord? But a truck is loaded sand. Now, Malad, this court has passed this order. Malad also passed this order. Page 28. I am relying upon.
Second page, Lordship, kindly.
They did not communicate anything.
Page of the report.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Ki report?
Last page is forwarding letter.
Again, then report din. Copy din na. Ki likhe dekho na. Madam.
Everything we have given, my lord. They are making all false statements. All false statements.
False statement.
Lordship correctly say.
Considering the, my lord,
Particular date he has not challan.
Why time?
no challan was there.
Nobody can give a guarantee that we have started from Calcutta. We have to reach Bardhaman by 2 hours. Nobody can give the guarantee.
So why you accepted the challan of the short period?
But they are doing like this. We are our entire libraries depend upon these things. They are making the time, and their officer was running in the road that they will pick up this car, pick up this van.
In my lord,
But what is the rule? There is no such rule in respect of SL. This type of blocking is totally unreasonable, Malad. We have got a valid road, or everything is there.
Mr. Das, already there is have you got the report?
No,
Give the report.
no report has been submitted.
Give the report. Kindly come to the page 3. Kindly come to the page 3. In a particular case, reason order has been passed by the ADM and the DA.
They did not communicate me. I did not receive any communication.
That's why there is a notice was issued to you.
But they did not communicate me. You have appeared.
Okay. I am directing. So you are
Yes.
then giving liberty to challenge the.
No, Lordship, kindly see. Lordship, kindly see. Lordship, kindly.
twice.
Kindly allow me. Your Lordship, kindly come to page number 37, Malad.
Yes.
And relevant page 39.
Yes.
Paragraph, first paragraph. Be that as it may, the undersigned duly appeared before the additional district magistrate, district land and land depot officer, Postim Mindapur on so and so date, and produce all their documents before the authority, and requested the authority concerned to unlock the e-challan portal of their vehicles. After receipt of such documents, and after hearing the additional district magistrate and district land and land depot officer, Postim Mindapur, did not unblock the e-challan of the aforesaid vehicles of the petitioner in the e-challan portal of the state of West Bengal, and further the undersigned are not being able to carry out. Now, where is the order? Well, natural justice, they are violated. They should communicate the order in writing so that we can understand that what is the ground for blocking the e-challan. Now today, after filing of the writ petition, they are filing the report before your lordships without supplying any copy.
Have you appeared before the authority on
Yes, we have
22nd?
appeared.
No, my lord.
Second.
No, my lord. Kindly, your
But on
lordship.
412, but they have denied because what they are doing, they are not giving any receipt or they are not giving any documents that we have appeared before that. But totally, we are treating it badly. by
Okay,
the
what rightly or wrongly, they have passed an order.
But
Kindly come
where
to
is the
page-
order? I did not get
Correct,
any
by
order.
page 13, kindly see the page 13, they have passed an rightly or wrongly.
But
passed
they
an
did
order.
not communicate me, my lord.
Okay, now you have been communicated, now
Where
you
is the
present-
order? Till now I have not received.
given.
Yes, I have.
Not given, my lord.
Kindly
Where
see
is
the
the
page-
copy? এখন দিলেন এই কোর্ট হিয়ারিং এর সময় দিলেন
See the page 13.
it is very very in the morning he is waiting before your lordship my lord. And he is not been able to give any copy my lord. Page number 13. ₹1,00,000 cost under which provision of law? There is no such provision. They have to impose ₹1,00,000 cost. Before imposition of the fine, where is the notice that we have to impose the fine?
Second, you admitting, the kindly see the page, your page number 23, you receive the notice.
Yes, I have disclosed the notice.
Yes.
I have appeared.
Ah,
Man, what is their duty? At least to communicate this order to the parties.
whether you appeared,
I have appeared.
when?
Malad, there is no evidence at all because they are not giving any kind of evidence which I appeared. They are treating very badly in respect of that. They are treating very badly to the no opportunity matter. Straight away they are imposing the fine. Each and every truck, those who are running in the national highway. Their report is contrary. Each and if you see each and every case, the same team is there. Their computerized report is there. They are placing and they have signed it. Not a single submission they will record of the petitioner. They are treating the petition is very badly in respect of that.
Where is the service of notice of 26/11?
Yes.
22nd/11.
My lord.
Kindly come
My
to,
lord, kindly come to page number 11.
please come to page 23 of the writ petition.
My lord,
Kindly come to the page 23 of the writ petition.
Page?
23 of the writ petition.
Yes, sir.
This is the 26th November to 2025 issuance of the notice. Correct. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Then
Then 12, my lord, 2025.
where is the 12?
My lord, page number 12.
Huh?
Page number 12 and it's the key of my report.
Page 12.
Yes, ma'am.
12/12/2012. So whether this notice was served,
Yes, my lord.
where is the service?
Yes, that is the main.
Where is the service?
My lord, first location he did not.
I am asking one question. Where is the service of the notice dated 12/12/2025?
My lord, this is the notice, my lord, we have given to you. And my lord, it has been written, my lord. Your lord should kindly go through the report. My lord, in connection with that.
I am on the report only. Show me the dispatch or receipt of the service
Yes,
dated 12/12 to the party concerned. Okay, he has not appeared on 22nd. You have not passed the final order on 26th. You have issued a notice on 12/12, fixing a date on 4th of 12, 4th December.
11 a.m. for hearing.
Yes.
11 a.m. for hearing. My lord, on that date, my lord, we have written in your report that he did not also appear. But regarding my lord, service, my lord, regarding service upon him, that my lord, regarding whether it was actually served on him, my lord, that regarding that part, my lord, I have to take the instance.
Okay, so I am directing you place the record of this all original record showing that the notice issued on 12/12/2025 fixing the date of hearing on 22/12/2020 was served upon the
Yes.
petitioner.
Yes.
If it is found that the notice was served, petitioner not appeared, petitioner will be out. If it is found the notice is not served upon the petitioner, you will be out.
Yes. Grateful, man.
The petitioner has filed the present application on the allegation of of blocking of e-challan illegally by the respondent authorities and without giving an opportunity of hearing to the petitioner. The respondent authorities have filed the report containing 47 pages, including the impugn order dated 22/12/2025. Learned Counsel for the state submit that the authorities have apprehended the vehicle of the petitioner by carrying what he was carrying, sand,
Sand, riverbed sand. No, sand, only sand.
carrying the
Riverbed sand,
the
challan is
mines
paid.
and minerals without any license, full stop. Subsequently, the respondent authority have issued notice on issued notice to the petitioner on 26th of November 2025, directing the petitioner to appear before the authority on 4th December 2025, but the petitioner has not appeared. Again, the notice was issued to the petitioner to appear before on 12/12/2025, directing the petitioner to appear before the authority on 26/12/2025, but in spite of service of notice, the petitioner has not appeared. Accordingly, the additional district magistrate and DL and LRO Paschim Midnipur has passed the impugn order. Learned Counsel for the petitioner denied with regard to receipt of the notice dated 12/12/2025.
And also, my lord, they did not communicate the final order.
He further submit that the petitioner also not received the impugn order dated 22nd December 2025. Considering the submission made by the counsel for the petitioner, this court find that the original record is to be perused by this court to verify whether the notice dated 12/12/2025 was served upon the petitioner or not. Let the original record of the above case be placed before this court by 15th on 15th of January 2026. Let the matter appear on 15th January under the same heading.
But I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Here are the same.
Same.
Who is
But-
preparing?
My lord, here,
Yes.
but report I read. A copy may be given.
Ah. Hmm.
So the reporter then, please. One copy of the report may be handed over.
That is the notice. Correct. Where is the order?
The order has been, my lord.
Not yet passed.
Order
Not-
has not been passed.
Not passed. So have you instruction whether order is passed or not? Otherwise, I will direct to hear the petitioner and
Yes.
give an office. No, then tomorrow authority will come say already order is passed.
Yeah, that is it.
Because the state advocates are taking the not taking any instruction from the authorities.
That order is passed, then my lord petitioner.
That's why.
Lordship.
So you do one thing. I am fixing on Monday. Take instruction whether final order is passed or not. If it is not passed, not to pass.
Under holiday, my lord.
My lord, what earlier cases has done, I filed a writ petition on 18. They have received the notice and then, my lord, they have proceeded.
But here they have given some relaxation to you.
My lord, they let the lordship kindly indicate, since the order has not been passed, they should not pass any order.
That's why.
Yes.
Yeah. Counsel, the petitioner and the counsel for the respondent has submitted that the respondents have issued notice to the petitioner on 17 December 2025, fixing the matter on 26th of December 2025. But I think the last report which you have filed, all the orders are there. It's also Paschim Midnipur. So I think the last order, report which you have filed, in that report all orders are there.
It is also Paschim Midnapur, my lord.
Paschim Midnapur. I think all orders have been annexed in that report.
Yes.
কি বলছি? issue the notice to the petitioner fixing the matter on hearing 26 December 2025.
Appearance to the-
But the respondents are not appear and the petitioner failed to appear before the authority. He prays for time to take instruction whether the authorities have passed the final order or not.
On 15 Lordship kindly,
Let
because
me-
earlier matter.
It is made clear that if the authorities have passed a final order
Yes.
on 26th of December 2025, in that case, the authorities, नहीं, क्या बोला? If full stop. The authorities are directed to place the original record of the case before this court to verify whether the notice dated 17 December 2025 is served upon the petitioner or not. Let the matter appear on 15th of January.
Well, at the top, matter, same position. Matter. Because earlier matter also.
Let the same. Next.
Just to be
I am disposing of, okay,
Yes.
I am fixing a date. Come on that day, you will get the order.
Yes.
Today we are on 8th, na? 9th, na? You come on 20 January, 2020. I will pass judgment. वाला आप लिया था डिक्टेशन बोल दिया था सौरभ लिया था सौरभ को बोलो CAB fix on 20th for judgment. Yes, call the next matter.
Well, next matter is slightly different. Well, kindly allow me. Yes, kindly allow me. Please allow me. But what they have done, Malad, we have paid the reasonable fees to the state of Jharkhand. We have paid the GST bill for carrying out the riverbed sand from Jharkhand to West Bengal. What the BLO and authority are saying in the border area, my lord, they are picking up these vehicles and saying you are not be allowed to enter in the West Bengal. One of the right to life with the dignity and violation of Article 21 of the Constitution of India.
So
Now,
what
Lordship
happened?
Kandisi, I am Vivangapuri Supreme Court judge.
So what has happened now? What
What is happening, Lordship Kandisi? Just a minute, sir.
application?
Kindly come to page 30. First of the Chalan, Lordship Kandisi. Page 30.
30,
Page 34.
34.
Yes. This is the transport Chalan issued by the government of Jharkhand for carrying out the riverbed sand from Jharkhand to West Bengal.
Where?
Page 34.
Page 34.
Yes.
Home traders.
Yes.
Petition is a home traders.
Yes. And Kolkata. Kolkata West. From Jharkhand to Kolkata West, madam. And the verification of Chalan is page 36.
Where it is mentioned, Jharkhand to Kolkata,
Mala,
Where is-
not this, transport.
vehicle number is there, royalty is there.
Yes, Lordship, can you see? The
Please.
first portion, home traders, so and so,
That is your address.
address.
Yeah,
Your
place
address
of
of-
delivery, mineral, GPO North
Yes,
code. And where
Kolkata.
and where from you have to take GPO North Kolkata,
Hmm.
name of the purchaser.
It has loaded from Jharkhand and GST bill, Lordship, can you see?
Hmm.
Page 30.
Yes. Page 30 years then,
This is the GST bill I have paid.
correct.
Yes. Now what they have done, they are in the border area, West Bengal and Jharkhand border area, they are not allowing the vehicles to enter in the West Bengal. Now, Lordship, can you see, if the petitioner is paid the proper tax to the government of India as well as the state government for carrying out the riverbed to another state, can the West Bengal government restrict such vehicles by not allowing the enter in the vehicle to the state of West Bengal by their police authority, their BLRO and DLRO are disturbing in respect of that. Now, my lord, this type of issue was gone to the Honorable Supreme Court. But I am relying upon the Supreme Court decision.
What is the prayer?
My prayer, my lord, I may be allowed to doing the business from transferring the riverbed sand from Jharkhand to state of West Bengal.
Correct. So there is no seizure is not there.
But they are not allowing.
Okay.
They are not allowing. My lordship, my prayer. There is authority, particular district magistrate, district land officer, Jharkhand and concerned block land officer, and the superintendent of police Jharkhand, West Bengal, and the officer in charge of concerned area to allow the vehicles of the writ petition as mentioned in the insert in custodial of the
But
carrying of
have
the
you
device.
got the report?
I did not get any report.
Go to the report. If you want to file exception to the report, you file
Yeah,
the
yeah,
exception. I
yeah,
will
yes.
see for hearing.
Yes.
Correct? Mr. Das?
Only I am submitting before a lordship. Now my landed pen is saying that we are not restricting anything. Can you record their submission, man?
Who is home theater? What is petition?
Petitioners.
No. Kindly see your petitioner. Kindly see the petitioner. That's why the first question I ask you, who is the petitioner? Abhijit Man. There are
Abhijit
three.
Maiti.
Abhijit Maiti
Abhijit
and
Maiti and others.
Ram Prasad Maiti and Abhijit Chandra.
Yes.
And kindly come to your page 34.
Yes. 30 years.
Come to page 34. Home Traders Proprietor. Kundan Kumar Singh.
Because they are supplying with the materials through these home traders.
Where is that?
Yes. Logically
Where
the
is the
challenge.
agreement?
Yes. And these are the
Where is the sale? Where is the
Yes.
sale receipt? This is a challan. Transportation of this is a vehicle number.
vehicle against this vehicle number. We are
Vehicle
the
number.
we are the proprietor of the vehicle number.
Okay, but where is
We are
the
the because our vehicle is transporting the sand.
correct?
Since our vehicle has been seized by the authority in the border area. Just a minute. Since our vehicle has been disturbed, therefore as a owner I can file a writ petition before this court. Why our vehicle has been disturbed? Because our duty, sir, don't make any running comment. You will get a chance to make your argument. The running comment is very dangerous for before the court proceedings. You will get a chance. You will make. You also learn from me. I have cost 39 years of practice before the Calcutta High Court. Maybe, but don't make any running comment. It is very unfortunate. Now, my lord, I am the owner of the vehicles. My vehicle stuck up in the road by the police authority by taking a bribe in respect of entering the border area.
Where your owner? Kindly come to the page 24. Kindly come to
All
the
right, my land.
please. Kindly come to the page 24.
Yes, 24.
Where is the name of the owner?
Particular this organization has carried out the vehicle through my vehicles.
Where is that vehicle number? Vehicle by owner of the vehicle.
Well, this is the owner of the vehicle. Also, can you see the registration documents are there?
Yes.
From page number 24.
Yes. Who is the name? What is the name?
This is first name is Malot. What is name, Spencer?
Abhijit Methi.
Yeah, that's can you come to page 25?
Then
The number is there, vehicle number is there.
Hmm.
Smart card is there.
Abhijit Methi.
Abhijit Maiti.
2 vehicles.
Yes. Thereafter, page 28. The
Two
name also
vehicles.
there. My vehicles are running. We are carrying out the sand.
Hmm.
And my vehicle has been stuck up by the officers.
Hmm.
Where the petitioner will go. My library is stuck up.
Hmm.
I purchased the vehicle through EMI. Per month, 1 lakh EMI I have to deposit. And their officer is doing like this. They are restricting this type of vehicles. Don't carry out the sand from Jharkhand to West Bengal. Now, if the West Bengal supply with the potato to the Jharkhand and potato in Andhra Pradesh and other state, what that state is restrict that don't enter into the stock from West Bengal to it is a law in this country. It's a union
What
territory.
you want?
My one lordship, can you see the order of
Hey,
the
what you want?
my want is, Vinod, this vehicle is carrying out the sand from Jharkhand to West Bengal. Why their officers in the border area disturbing my vehicles under which provision of law?
But can you see the report, sir?
Well, a report just now he has handed over.
Correct. If FIR has been initiated, you have been arrested, released on bail, you appear before the court, you got the vehicle released, released from the court, you have not filed any application before the court for release of the sand. Kindly see the paragraph 5.
Well, what I am submitting, my lord, can they do like this?
That is, then you have to challenge the FIR.
my lord, I am not, my lord, I am submitting before a lordship. They are harassing my case.
Correct. So now they harassing by way of registration and FIR, seizure of the vehicle,
Yes.
seizure of the
That is true.
materials.
But why they are not allow me to carry out the sand from another state to
So
this
that's
state?
why kindly come to paragraph 5. During investigation, IO of the case, both the owners filed and produced the valid challan for carrying minor minerals in the truck. They have not prayed for before the London magistrate that the seized sand or produce or any valid document before the London judge till now.
My lord, just now he has filed a report. I have to file an exception in respect of that.
The respondents have filed the report. State respondent has filed report after serving the copy to the petitioner. Counsel for the petitioner prays for time to take exception. Let the exception be filed. List the matter on 15th.
My lord, let the order of the Honorable Supreme Court be kept on the record.
Thereof.
I have seen minor cases in item number 7. I have seen minor cases in item number 7.
Maybe, but you are waiting from 10:30, but you are not in a position to hand over the report
Okay,
to the
okay,
learned
okay, no.
advocate.
Please,
Very
Mr. Das, Mr.
Why
Das.
minor was directed me on all these minors.
Without serving copy, you are placed.
The court, the matter is over. Yes, call the other matter.
Deep double.
Item number 10,
Okay.
11.
Number 11 notice from head by additional qualification. Notice that the matter freedom fighter dependent
11. But I am for the petitioner here.
have also been some instruction regarding the matter. Kindly elaborate some days.
What instruction? What you have prayed for? Family, freedom fighter pension?
Freedom fighter pension. Well, I will satisfy your lordship. What happened? My father applied for the pension. Well, I need not take trouble. Well, though applied in 81, his pension was sanctioned in 89. When he was died in 84. It having come to the knowledge of the central government that the recipient of the sanctioned pension has already died, that in terms of that sanction order, family pension was granted in favor of my mother. It was done, my lord, sometimes in the year 2089. Since 89, my mother was getting the family pension. She continued to get it till 2021. After the death of my mother, my lord, I being the only unmarried and unemployed daughter, applied to the bank concern in terms of the rules within 6 months that let the dependent pension be transferred in my favor. That was not done. My lord, I made representation to the central government. They asked for submission of some documents. I submitted the one set of documents to the district magistrate and another set of documents to the central government directly. Thereafter, my lord, nothing was done. I had to come before this honorable court earlier. But in that writ application, a point was taken. The centering the certificate of the certifier, a legal issue is pending before the Supreme Court. But after hearing that, the court passed the order directing the concerned authorities to dispose of the matter, representation of the petitioner in accordance with the law, and also taking into consideration as to whether pending of a issue before any court can stand on the way or not. That was not considered. Without considering that, they have come to the passed an order to the effect that as the certificate is questioned before the Honorable Supreme Court, as per the Supreme Court's liberty, the pension in the name of my father has been, my lord, cancelled. But I am asking myself, it is unheard of. A man who has died in 1984, his pension is being cancelled in 2024 without notice. Though I duly intimated that
Okay, let they want take instruction. Let that take instruction. I will pass.
then
The Learned Council, Learned ASGI prays for time to take instruction. Accordingly, case is adjourned. Let the matter appear on on 21st of January. 21st January.
That those matters are pending before the.
Honorable Soul.
When?
That week.
Then 27?
27,
27 January.
because 2 days has been kept open.
27.
And that's
Can I claim in?
27 January, yeah?
These
are the same heading.
For the detention of the position.
Okay, next. Yes, same heading. Next.
Well, madam. This is my affidavit of service, my lord. But petitioner has tracked, my lord. There are steel materials at the premises of
Order passed by the state officer.
estate
If,
officer.
the public premises.
My lord.
So this court is not having determination.
But the residue.
PP Act. Public premises Act.
Yes, my lord.
I'm releasing it.
Was passed. Here nobody, they stack the materials, now they want.
But that is to be decided on merits.
This court find that the matter connected with the Public Premises Act. Accordingly, this court is not having determination. WPA number so and so released from this list of this court with the liberty to the parties to mention before the appropriate court having determination.
This determination was not there from last year, this determination is not. Because so many.
Yes, residuary bench, my lord.
Residuary is there, but once already a bench is there,
Already a bench.
then even residuary will not come.
Great.
Otherwise, all will be there.
Yes, well, because so many backlog was created regarding public premises, a bench has.
That's why one
special
bench.
determination has to be. I'm good.
13 May I beg to appear on behalf of the petitioner. No? Affidavit service to the. Well, here what happened, my lord? I got the tender and subsequently, my lord, work order was issued by the authority. My lord, I have purchased materials, my lord, and submitted the GST at the rate of.
Order of 2021.
Yes.
Then when the completion certificate was issued.
Well, no, that is, my lord, regarding the, my lord, increase of, my lord, GST from 12% to 18%. But they paid at the rate of 12%, not increased rate. I have annexed the, my lord, calculation page, my lord,
Now, what is your case?
16. My difference amount was not paid.
Where page?
Initially, GST was 12%. Thereafter, the central government increased the, my lord, GST rate from 12% to 18%. I deposited the amount at the rate of 18%, but the authority paid at the rate of 12%, not 18%. The difference amount 65 lakh 1021, my lord. That is page 16, my lord. I have calculated the.
Yes.
Only thing issue is there, my lord. Whether I have paid 18% at the rate.
Yes.
My lord, I'm led by Mr. Obro Mujumdar. My lord would kindly take our instructions, my lord. If my lord comes to the instructions, November 5, 2020, our tender was issued. The tender starts at page 5. If my lord goes through the tender, your lordship would find that nowhere have we expressly stipulated that the GST rate has to be 12%. Thereafter, my lord would it has been only stated that GST would be inclusive of taxes. My lord would kindly come to page 12 of our instructions.
Yes.
We have said the following clause shall be included in all the contracts to be executed for number 1, procurement of goods and services, and number 2, works related contract involving supply of goods and services by contractor. Thereafter, your lordship, we have said that tax invoices need to be issued by the supplier for raising claim under the contract, showing separately the tax charged in accordance with the provisions of GST rules. Thereafter, my lord, we have issued a corrigendum that is dated November 24, 2020, which your lordship would find at page 16 of the instructions.
Yes.
Here, my lord, we have said that if my lord sees the revision, the revised portion says it is inclusive of taxes, which is inclusive of GST. The contract rate that is quoted by the bidder shall be inclusive of GST.
Correct. When it was 2020.
Yes, yes, my lord. Amount without taxes and thereafter in rupees shall be read as total amount with taxes in rupees.
Where from it?
Yes, my lord.
The total amount with taxes and rupees.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Amount without taxes in rupees shall be read as amount
With
with
taxes.
tax. Yes.
Yes, my lord. Now, my lord, would kindly take the office memorandum that they have referred to, which is at page 14 of the petition. They say, my lord, that this office memorandum has notified the increase in GST rate from 12% to 18%. This is dated November 18, 2022.
Yes.
However, my lord, what has not been said in the petition is that subsequent to this notification, there has been another office memorandum that was issued on November 22nd, 2022. That has expressly clarified what was the stipulation said in the November 18 office memorandum. My lord would find that notification in our instructions. Once again, my lord would kindly take page 24 of our instructions.
Yes.
Here, my lord, we have clarified, this notification clarifies what has been stipulated. If your lordship takes clause A, which says that now consequent upon enhancement of GST rate, following points are hereby clarified. A says, in all cases where work order is given inclusive of all taxes and there is no indication of rate of GST in the tender document, there will be no scope of change of tendered value by enhancing the GST rate from, this is, my lord, I think a printing error, from 12% to 18%.
No, to from. Yes. So no
Yes,
problem.
yes, my lord.
To from.
Then, my lord, would kindly take clause B, which says that in all cases where work order is given inclusive of all taxes and there is clear indication of rate of GST 12% in the tender document, the tendered value of unbilled works may be enhanced up to 6%, subject to adjustment of cost of inversion, if any. So, my lord, would kindly, as my lord has seen, our tender document has nowhere specified expressly that the GST rate would be 12%. Thereafter, my lord, we have taken their opinion into consideration and then we have sought clarifications from the Urban Development and Ministry Department. And we have received a communication from them on December 30, 2024. My lord would find that on page 27 of our instructions.
Yes.
This, my lord, has clarified the position. They have again not disclosed this communication that was made to them. This is in the nature of an order, my lord. It clarifies that your application regarding release of tax inversion amount deducted from RA bills of the above mentioned work has been checked thoroughly. As per the observation of Finance Department, UD and MA, there is no indication of 12% GST in any tender documents uploaded. Hence, enhancement of contract value due to change in GST rate may not be affected as per the provision of so and so dated November 18, 2022. Therefore, my lord, we have expressly clarified the position to them. We have, my lord, certain judgments in this regard. If my lord would, the first is a judgment that has been delivered by our court in Koyal Construction versus State of West Bengal. This, my lord, would kindly see paragraphs 38, 42 and 43. Here, my lord, the position was slightly different. Here, the GST regime was introduced.
Just a minute. What is your
Yes.
claim? What is your claim?
Claim, my lord, they paid at the rate of 12%.
So GST, how this court is having determination?
No, this is not, my lord, regarding issue is GST.
Yes,
May-
GST this cannot.
This is the payment, my lord.
You are claiming the GST. This court find that though the matter is heard some length, but this court find that the petitioner has claimed GST and thus this court is not having the determination to hear the matter. Accordingly, WPA number so and so is released from the list of this court with the liberty to file the same before the appropriate with the liberty to the parties to mention before the appropriate court having determination.
Grateful.
আচ্ছা আপনার নেক্সট দেবেন নোটিশ দেবো তো মেনশন করার জন্য কাকে দেবো
I'm for the petitioner.
নাম
This is the affidavit of service, Lordship. The petitioner before your Lordship is a Bangladeshi national Lordship. He arrested in under Foreigners Act, Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, he's.
My lord, if I can take. I'm sorry, my lord.
They are asking time.
But my lord, I'm telling your lordship what the difficulty is, my lord. This matter, my lord, pertains to, my lord, an illegal detention now, my lord, which has arisen. My lord, I'm telling your lordship, it is cannot, my lord, this can now Supreme Court has settled this issue once and for all. My lord, otherwise I would not have ever opposed, my lord, the prayer for time. My lord, the person in question, my lord, he is a Bangladeshi national. My lord, your lordship knows.
He was convicted.
My lord, he was convicted on the 10th of November 2023. Now, my lord, 2 years of imprisonment was given. Now, my lord, why was 2 years of imprisonment given? Because your lordship knows at the stage of framing of charge, an accused can either guilty plead or he can plead not guilty. Now, my lord, due to his father's ailment in Bangladesh, he said that I'm pleading guilty. I have to go back to Bangladesh so as to I can render assistance to him. My lord, as a result thereof, he was given a 2 years of conviction. My lord, the 2 years expired on the 10th of November 2025. My lord, thereafter, we had made a written representation, my lord, to all the concerned authorities, my lord, that I should be released and I should be sent back to Bangladesh, which is my original place of birth. Now, your lordship, in this context, my lord, your lordship knows, now the Supreme Court has, my lord, clarified it once and for all. What is to be done, what is not to be done. My lord, initially, your lordship knew there was a pushback policy which used to take place. Thereafter that, the Amnesty International, my lord, gave a public statement saying that this pushback policy is making a lot of problems with regard to citizens being kept in a very state of flux, my lord, where they are not being able to be sent back. So thereafter that, my lord, your lordship may kindly sees, my lord, the Supreme Court's first order, my lord, that is on the 30th of January 2025. I'm giving the case number also. Transfer case criminal number 1 of 2013. Please send me the copy. 30th January copy.
Yes, you do one thing. The similar matter is fixing. Actually, it is fixed today, but it's not listed. Come on Monday, that will be listed on Tuesday.
Yes, my lord.
Similar matter is listed. Actually, it is not it's supposed
Yes.
to list today, but it will be listed.
But maybe, my lord, I don't know, because there is only one point I would like to show, my lord, that would be relevant to this similar matter also, my lord. If your lordship may kindly sees, 30th January order I have given, my lord, I don't want to take much of your lordship's time. I will just come directly, my lord, how it can be disposed of.
Paragraph 15.
But that is one part. Now there is a subsequent order to that. Now your lordship will seize, my lord, the 16th May order, which has been given in the year 2025.
Where is that?
My lord, where the persons can be released on bail, if your lordship may kindly 16th May order once. Please, I'm going to go to 16th May order, relevant paragraph to that. My lord will kindly seize paragraph number 17, my lord.
Yes.
My lord,
That's-
yes.
That's also considered.
Yes.
That's why the point, because earlier also,
Yes.
you are only the one month more.
Yes, sir.
The other two petitioners, they are for the last more than 5 or 10 years. This court has called for the report. Then this court is of the view in that matter because there is no provision for repatriating back. Correct. And in the state of West Bengal, there is no provision of the detention home. Of the detention home of the prisoners who have completed their sentence in the. So some of in this order only, the state has made a representation before the Supreme Court. They are going to consider.
No, my lord, only one. This, my lord, if your lord just. Yes, lord.
Then this court is of the view, if you provide the address.
Yes.
If you provide the address where you will reside, then you provide that will be verified by the FRRO and the local police authority, genuinity of the address and the person, then the court will take up.
Then, my lord, we'll ready to do that. Lordship passes that, my lord, I can.
You do one thing.
Yes.
I'm not directing him to provide the address.
Yes.
Where the petition will release, will decide if he release from the correctional home.
Correct.
And you verify the address.
Yes.
Who is appearing for the state? Okay, so state will also
Yes.
take.
I am appearing on behalf of the state.
So when you will provide the address?
My lord, by today. By
The-
today, my lord.
The petitioner has filed the present application
I'm relying on paragraph 17 of that
for
judgment.
release of the petitioner from the correctional home as the petitioner has completed the sentence imposed by the London trial judge.
FRRO or
Police staff.
state.
The Petitioner is the foreign national, foreign Bangladeshi. Bangladeshi national. The petitioner is relying upon the judgment order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the in transfer case within bracket criminal number 1 of 2023 within
13.
bracket
1 of 13, my lord.
1 of 2013 within bracket MS Maja Dharuwala versus State of West Bengal and another and submits that the petitioner is entitled to get the benefit of the said order dated 16th May 2025. Full stop. Considering the submission made by the counsel for the parties, the petitioner is directed that if the petitioner is released on bail in terms of the order dated 16 May 2025, where the petitioner will reside, let the address be intimated to the learned to the office of the learned ASGI as well as to the learned counsel appearing for the state, and the state as well as the FRRO are directed to verify the address furnished by the petitioner if any, and to file report before this court on the next date fixed. List the matter on 16th of January 20.
My lord, if time could be fixed, if I can only recall.
Under same
Under the same heading. But under the same heading.
Give the copy.
I can give the copy, I can give the address also.
See if it is there, it is
Yes,
there.
sir.
I will see to that.
Duplicate.
Affidavit of service be kept.
Duplicate.
Next.
15, my lord, I'm praying for Passover, my lord.
15 I wait to appear on.
15,
Well, I appear for the union.
Who is appearing for the petition?
My lord, I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord.
Ah.
My lord, subject to correction, my lord, I'll be very candid before your lordship, my lord. This would not, my lord, pertain to your lordship's jurisdiction, my lord, subject to correction, my lord. This, my lord, in this case, my lord, it could pertain, my lord, to the jurisdiction, my lord, because we are claiming, my lord, of police overaction, my lord, in this present case.
The respondent judicial. Acha.
That is why, my lord. That is why it will not pertain to.
Counsel for the petitioner submitted this court is not having the determination to hear the present application according to WPA number so released from the list of this court with the liberty to the parties to mention before the appropriate court having the petition.
Much grateful, my lord. Much grateful.
Next.
Your Lordship, I am for the petitioner.
Yes.
This is my affidavit of
In item 16, Lord, I should have to be added as party respondent. I do not know as to whether she has impeached me. Since in my writ petition, that disposed of, the petitioner before the lordship was the necessary party and impleaded. And in their presence,
If your Lordship
that
so
writ
pleases,
petition has been disposed of,
kindly allow
and
me
in
to make my
connection therefore-
submissions. If your Lordship so
And in
pleases, I'll
connection
implead them.
contempt application is pending. They appear, and in that contempt application, SDO has got the executing has got the measurement. SDO has taken step for demolition of the same. Up to that stage. So I am the very much essential and vital necessary party respondent. Lord, in my petition, Lord, you are respond number 11.
Yes. Yes. What is the grievance, madam?
Your Lordship,
What order you challenge?
Your Lordship, what had happened, Your Lordship, that I have a subsisting lease, which is at page, petitioner number 1, page 34, is a subsisting lease granted by the Zilla Parishad in the month of April 2025, Your Lordship. Meantime, a writ application was filed against us, which is at page, order is at page 43, Your Lordship, P3. In which there was a direction that, if I may be pleased to read the order, 11th of March 2025. The petitioner complains of an alleged encroachment and unauthorized construction on the PWD land at the behest of the private respondents. The petitioner submitted a representation dated 20th of December, annexure P4 at page 24 of the writ petition, but the same has not yet been dealt with. In view of the above, the jurisdictional block land and land reforms officer, upon prior notice to the petitioner and the private respondent, shall cause a physical inspection direction of the alleged encroachment and construction of the said and shall submit his report before the petitioner, private respondent, and jurisdictional assistant engineer PWD. This exercise shall be carried out and completed by the jurisdictional BLRO positively within a period of 4 weeks from the date of communication of this order. In the event such report confirms the alleged encroachment and construction on the PWD land, then the jurisdictional assistant engineer PWD, after issuing a prior hearing notice of at least 7 days to the petitioner and private respondents, and after giving them an opportunity of hearing, shall decide the representation dated 20th December 2024 as referred above by passing a reasoned order in accordance with law. The entire exercise shall be carried out and completed by the jurisdictional assistant engineer positively within a period of 6 weeks from the date of receiving report from the jurisdictional BLRO. The reasoned order shall be communicated to the petitioner and private respondent positively within a period of 2 weeks from the date of the reasoned order being passed. It is made clear this court has not gone into the merits of the case of the petitioner or the private respondent, and they shall be at liberty to urge whatever points they wish to urge by relying upon whatever records and documents they wish to rely upon before the jurisdictional assistant engineer PWD. In the event the reasoned order confirms the alleged unauthorized construction and encroachment, the jurisdictional assistant engineer PWD shall communicate the order of the jurisdictional subdivisional order officer positively within a period of 3 weeks from the date of the said reasoned order to be passed, and shall take all necessary steps, consequential steps to the immediate effect for the reasoned order in accordance with law within 4 weeks. Your Lordship, this order shall not create any right or equity in favor of the petitioner or in favor of the private respondents if they do not succeed in their respective claims before the jurisdictional assistant engineer PWD strictly in accordance with law. Affidavits are not called. Thereafter, Your Lordship, page 47, the SDO Kharagpur passes an order on 25th of November 2025.
Yes.
Whereas the assistant engineer PWD Kharagpur subdivisional India Kharagpur Paschim Mednipur has filed an application for removal of unauthorized construction and on department land. Whereas the BLRO Mohanpur has filed the receipt for encroachment on the suit plot wide memo number itna. Whereas the Honorable High Court has issued binding directions with regard to this matter in solemn order passed in WPA 2532 of 2025 on 11th of March 2025 and solemn order dated 22nd September 2025 of the Honorable High Court in CPAN 1212 of 2025 in connection with the writ. Hearing was held on 24th November 2025.
Find you are in illegal occupation of the premises.
Your Lordship, but I have a subsisting lease granted by the Zilla Parishad, which has been declared void by the, if Your Lordship, maybe please to see the next 2 paragraphs. Hearing was held on 24th November and due notice to the concerned parties, 2 of the opposite parties submitted. They are the lessee over the suit land, which is recorded in favor of the district board. However, the case is not maintainable under the Highway Act. So we raised 2 objections that I have a lease and this case is not maintainable under the Highway Act. From the report of the BLRO, Mohanpur, as well as the deposition of PWD authority and notification dated of the Principal Secretary, Government of West Bengal, the suit plot is maintained by Highway Authority, and as per Section 2C23 of the Highway Act, the definition of highway means any land in the possession of state government or any other authority adjoining such highway used or intended to be used for the purpose of highway. As a lessee, lease was issued in the month of April 2025 and the draft after the solemn order of High Court dated 11th March 2025, the lease is void. The suit land falls under the purview of Highway Act thereafter. Your Lordship, agree from this.
Permit me 1 minute. I make 2 Lord, there's a proceeding under Section 10 of the Highways Act. Lord, the order has been passed by the jurisdictional magistrate. There's a provision of an appeal. My learned friend has preferred an appeal. The appeal is pending. In the meantime, Lord, there's a notice issued for demarcation of the land. My learned friend is apprehensive that under the guise of demarcation, she may be evicted despite the pendency of the appeal. Lord, we may assure her that insofar as her 2 plots are concerned, till the appeal is not disposed of, naturally we will not take any steps for eviction. Only demarcation is being carried out, which your Lordship will find in the last page of the writ petition
84.
at page 84. Only demarcation, naturally, because there are large number of encroachers. There are other encroachers who have not preferred the appeal. So her plots are going to be
They have
demarcated.
removed at their own.
The other plots are, these her plots will be demarcated and subject to the appeal. The Lordship will find the appeal papers are
Page
at
49.
onwards. That appeal is pending.
Page 49.
Page
49.
49.
This is an appeal under section 10, subsection 4 of the Highways Act.
This is the act.
It
Your
will be
Lordship.
disposed of, and then whatever the law will take its own course, my lord.
Yes. So I am disposing of it.
Your Lordship, my prayer before this, I'm very thankful to my learned senior for helping me with the same. Your Lordship, my prayer is limited to that extent only. Let my appeal be heard under
Correct.
10.4
So
within a
I am
stipulated
disposing
time.
of directing, recording the submission that he will not be effected till the disposal.
But the
and
demarcation has
the
to be-
demarcation is only with
All
regard to
Since I am
Notice is only for demarcation.
demarcation. This the time of demarcation, your position will not be disturbed, if any.
my humble submission, all the subsequent development of fact has reached to its peak point. On the basis of my writ petition and without, I do not know as to whether I have been implicated as party respondent is there. No copy has been served.
Your Lordship, to my best understanding, I thought that he's not a necessary party.
Copy to me impede.
If your Lordship
Then
so
thereafter-
pleases, I'll serve.
I will record your submission. I am disposing of. I will record your submission. The purpose would be
I
served.
have not been implicated my submission.
I will record your submission.
Intervener মতন submission record হবে আপনার।
My lord, one thing.
What further?
That appeal is pending. Only order can be passed for expedite.
You dictate, I will see.
No, my submission, that
Record.
can be done.
The petitioner has filed the present writ application being agreed and dissatisfied with the notice dated 5th of December 2025 issued by the Block Land and Land Reform Officer Mohanpur, Paschim Midnipur to the Assistant Engineer APWD Kharagpur Subdivision with the request with the information that the plot number 1277 and 1278 of Muhaza Bagda will be demarcated on 16th of December 2025 at 1 p.m. The apprehension of the petitioner before this court that on the curve of the demarcation, the authority will evict the petitioner if the petitioner is found in possession of the property in question. Learned Senior Advocate Mr. Samrat Sen, appearing for the state authority, submit that the notice is issued only for demarcation of the land. He further submit that being agreed with the order passed by the subdivisional officer, the petitioner has already prepared an appeal before the appellate authority, and the appeal is pending. He submits that during the demarcation, the possession of, if any, in the said landed property will not be disturbed.
I need make it of the writ petitioner because there are several.
Petitioner of, if any, of the writ petition will not be disturbed.
There are two petitioners, Your Lordship.
Petitioners landed so and so submits that he is the necessary party in the present writ application as the proceeding has been initiated on his writ petition, but what is your client's name? But his client, namely so and so, is not been added as a party, though he is a necessary party. This court find
Client, Topodhon Senapati.
give the name.
My name has I have given.
Your Lordship, page 43, the writ petition number and the name is there. Topodhon Senapati, page 43.
WPA number is there.
Tapodhan Senapati, who was the writ petitioner of WPA number 2532 of 2025. This court, though the petitioner has not made Mr. Tapodhan Senapati as a petitioner as a private respondent in the present application, with this court find that he is not a necessary party in the present proceeding, as the petitioner has only challenged the demarcation order, and not the state has already given an undertaking that at the time of demarcation, if that If the authorities found the petitioner will be in possession, are in possession of the property in question, they will not disturb the possession of the petitioner in from the said property till the disposal
Lord,
of the
only one
Of the
clarification, Lord. Lord, actually, Lord, kindly, Lord, Lord, in your lordship's order, if your lordship kindly puts it that we will not disturb the possession of the appellants.
Oh, petitioners.
No, Lord, there
petitioners.
are two petitioners, but petition number one is the only appellant.
Appellate, yes.
The petition number two is not
Your
an
Lord,
appellant.
petition
Respect
number
of the
2
appellant.
has also filed an appeal.
Yes.
The appeal has been filed by the petition number 2.
The appeal is by Ajit Kumar Pradhan, who is petition number one,
Your Lordship, the petition number 2 has also filed an
but it
appeal.
is not part of this.
Your Lordship,
Unless I missed.
page 66 is the second appeal, Your Lordship. P5. Shibu Padia. This
Padia to read petitioner. দেখো নামটা একবার দেখে নাও না।
Kindly report
নামটা
that
একবার দেখে
appeal
নাও।
number.
Shibu Padia is not the writ petitioner.
So, Your Lordship, Kanai Padia, Your Lordship, the name has been
No.
incorrectly given. Kanai Payera. Page 78.
Of the two writ petitioners, only writ petition number one has preferred an appeal. Writ petition number two.
Your
has
Lordship,
not preferred
petition
an
number 2 has also preferred an appeal. I have,
appeal. It is not part of the writ petition.
Your Lordship, page 66, I have annexed the document.
Will not
It is
disturb
somebody
the
else.
possession of the appellant.
Appellant.
Appellant, not petitioner. Appellant who preferred an appeal against the order passed by the sub-divisional officer.
One
Police.
submission, my lord.
Consider with the above observation, the writ petition is it.
One humble submission, my lord, for the ends of that.
Your Lordship,
Time limitation can be given for.
For what? They will demarcate.
No.
Your Lordship, my appeal be heard within a stipulated time.
For disposal of the appeal.
Whatever. Lord.
That can be done. Otherwise, my lord, the order passed by the Honorable Board of my lordship, that will be insufficient.
This court find that the appeal preferred by the petitioner, number one.
1 and 2 both have preferred, Your Lordship. Your Lordship,
Then it is difficulty.
বাচ্চা কোথায়?
Your Lordship,
My lord, kindly give the time limit. Otherwise, my lord, the.
Yes.
order
No. Yes.
I'm sorry.
that will be in-
Pursuant to your lordship's case.
Next item.
Next for the petitioner.
I am for the petitioner. My learned senior friend is probably having some recess.
Record an order, item number 17.
अपनी में ये दिए दिन दिए.
Item number 17, as per the prayer made by the council for the parties, let the matter appear. Let the matter appear on when?
Next, absolutely next.
On 15th of January, under the same heading.
Sorry.
Your Lordship, page 66 is the writ petition appeal filed by them. Only Shibu Padia, that was corrected by hand when the appeal was filed. Even the father's name matches Krishna Padia, everything, Your Lordship, page 66.
I will see to that.
My
Yes.
pursuant to your lordship's gracious leave, my lord, I'm mentioning item number 27. My learned junior mentioned it yesterday. Your lordship's pleasure was that we should mention today. Well, the travel date is tomorrow. The permission to travel abroad, my lord. My lord, we are mentioning with a notice to the other side. Well, can it be taken up at 2 o'clock, my lord? We can
2 PM
issue a notice.
already. If the 2 PM matter is over, then I will take it.
Most obliged, my lord.
Since
First, I will take the fixed matter. Thereafter.
नहीं ना मैं अपना ईमेल आईडी बोलूं ना मैं ईमेल आईडी पर
What?
Malad, the next date for submission of his tender, Malad, on 30th. Malad, this matter meant to your lordship.
Come at 3:30.
Malad,
Come at 3:30.
3:30, I think, Malad, there is a.
Then you go. If you're ready
Yes,
to
ma'am.
matter,
Yes,
come at
ma'am.
3:30. I will take that 3:30. Yes.
Now, my lord, I'm being led by Dr. Mullidhar, who is appearing, my lord, in virtual mode.
May it please the court, my lords.
Yes.
If I may draw your lordship's attention to the last order.
Which for the other side?
My lord,
My lord, in this matter, my lord, Mr. Amritolal Chatterjee is appearing. Mr. Amritolal Chatterjee is appearing for the state, my lord. He is at present on his legs before another court in a contempt matter. My lord, may I most humbly submit, my lord, the last occasion, my lord, your lordship has passed the order and directed us to file the affidavit in opposition, my lord. The affidavit in opposition is ready, my lord, but admittedly, my lord, there is some delay, my lord, and we are trying to serve.
There is a specific direction, 12th
yes,
December.
yes,
Yes, my lord.
yes.
That is
Now
why
we are on.
we are praying for an apology for that delay,
Lord,
my lord. But
second,
we are
second.
yes,
This
my
is after second extension.
yes,
Correct.
Lord, we are. But
If-
we are
12th December, then 2nd January, and the matter is fixed today for specifics.
yes, my lord. But I'm handing over a copy to my learned friend, my lord. We are with folded hands, my lord.
For 4 pages affidavit, you required more 1 month time.
Lord,
Actually, my lords, they were given time in August, 6th August.
Yes.
Lord,
So,
Lord,
you will use affidavit in reply, Mr. Mudra?
Within a week, we'll file that, my lords. If your lordships could now fix it for a final hearing.
Yes.
point. Kindly allow us to come back very shortly.
What come back?
Wherever.
It is specifics.
My lord, we know, my lord, but.
Yes, what is the matter about, sir?
My lords, this were 2 sale deeds of 2003, which they failed to return to us after execution because they claimed that there was some stamp duties due. They
Yes.
took 18 years to assess those stamp duties, and wrongly, we challenged those assessment orders. In 2025, my lords, we offered to pay the assessed duty under protest for them to release the sale deeds because we needed that. We have done that, my lords. We've paid that disputed duty under protest. The challans are on record. Now the matter has to be heard, my lords. Because according to us, those assessments are completely illegal.
Yes.
My lord, may I most humbly with folded hands, my lord, pray, my lord, because I am not the advocate on record, my lord. I am not in the
I'm only
panel.
praying for setting it down for a hearing, my lords. So I
Yes,
don't
yes,
see
my lord.
why
Any,
the
my lord, any day, your lordship wants, my lord. This is our fault, my lord. We admittedly, my lord, we admitting, my lord. But
Today speaks for
yes,
especially
my lord, we are-
the senior
Lord,
advocate
yes,
is
my lord,
there.
we are
Then
extremely sorry for the
to catch
contact.
hold of the senior it is difficult.
Yes, my lord. Not what we were expecting.
So when your senior will be available?
Next day, my lord, in Monday they can
Next day
come.
you can on the last occasion also on.
No.
Your
Monday
presence, the
will
date is
not be
fixed.
available.
Any day they are.
On the last
They are
occasion also Mr. Amrital Chatterjee was there. There are two Mr. Where is Mr. Sapan Datto?
My lord,
He was there.
yes, yes.
GP Nilotpal Chatterjee was there.
Yes, my lord.
There are 3 advocates. Where are they?
Mr. Chatterjee, Nilotpal Chatterjee also is appearing before the Honorable Justice Aniruddha Rai, my lord, in a content matter, specially fixed, my lord, 2 p.m. So, my lord,
This is also fixed, my lord.
any day, my
They
lord,
should have
and
made, my lord,
I'm handing over
other-
a copy of the opposition to my learned friend, my lord.
So today also in this court also the matter is fixed specifically.
Yes, my lord.
Then you're maintaining seniority
No, my
in your list. Which matter you have to appear?
no, my lord. No.
Yes, Mr. Muslim, when you will be available?
My lords, if your lordships pleases, either 7th or 10th February, if your lordships can grant.
7th or 10th, I don't think so.
February.
February. 7th or 10th February, देखो खाली है.
It's a Tuesday or a Thursday.
7th is a Sunday, 10th or 12th.
Sorry, 10th or 12th. 10th or 12th.
11, 12, 10, 11. 12 बजे खाली है. 2 बजे? 12 बजे खाली है. कब खाली है? 2 बजे खाली है. 10 तारीख को. 10th February at 2 p.m.
Please, my lords, that would be perfect.
I will I'll inform, my lord.
And my lord, in the meantime, affidavit.
Learned counsel for the respondents file affidavit in opposition after serving the copy to the learned counsel for the petitioner. Let the same be kept with the record. Counsel for the petitioner press for time to file affidavit in reply. Let affidavit in reply be filed within a week after serving the copy to the learned counsel for the respondent. This is the matter on 10th of February within 2 weeks. Let the matter appear on 10th of February at 2 p.m. as a specially fixed matter.
I'm deeply obliged. I'm deeply obliged.
Extremely good.
My lord was pleased to say that item number 27, my lord, I will mention the matter.
Yeah. Hey, 27 though. The other side is there.
My lord, I have mentioned upon notice, even I have wait,
if bring them, I will take call.
My lord,
Call the item. Yes, 18, continue.
27, no?
My lord,
That's it.
Chakraborty is appearing in this matter for enforcement directorate. My lord, he is on his legs. Kindly take up the matter at 3, my lord, today.
Okay, I am pacific. I am not calling. And if they both will come and mention, I will see. Yes, call the matter 18. 18? Yes, who is appearing for the 18? None appears on behalf of either of the parties. No accommodation is sought for. Let the matter appear in the combined monthly list of March 2026. Next.
In this matter, I appeal for the petitions.
Yes.
No, it's a case of encroachment, forcible encroachment by the Panchayat authority. Before I proceed, may I just show your lordship section 44 of the Panchayat Act? Kindly have a look. Without any acquisition proceeding, concrete road has been made over a strip of land.
You are the owner of the property?
My lord.
Where is that?
Lord, kindly.
What is the prayer?
My prayer is that, Lord, I have made applications before the district magistrate at the time of execution of the work. Nothing has been done. Lord, my prayer is this. Lord, they should be to restore the land, Lord, nothing else. Without acquisition proceeding, they cannot construct any concrete road. Prayer F.
Yes. Where is the landed property record?
Lord, records.
You are appearing.
Lord, we have got it by way of an exchange deed. The deed has been annexed. Binimoy Patro Dolil, deed of exchange, page 23. It starts at page 23. Kindly seize. My lord.
This court can't read all these things, sir.
Correct, my lord. Page 31. Only one plot, plot number 544. But my case has been made out from paragraph 11 onwards in the writ application.
Yes, what is our instruction?
I appear to state respondent, my lord, allegations against the Pradhan of that Gram Panchayat.
Pradhan is not appearing.
Well,
Yes,
let,
it's not
well,
appearing.
let there be an inquiry report.
Correct, that's why. So, but Panchayat is not here.
Not
Okay, you are appearing for the state. You submit the report.
kindly direct the district magistrate. my lord. Yes, district magistrate. Otherwise, the local authority would not do. My lord, I have made the application.
Sub-divisional officer.
My lord, probably, my lord, my prayer was before the district magistrate also.
District magistrate.
No, kindly. Yes,
You
yes.
can submit a report. If your lordship is not satisfied with the report, then call for the. Give, I don't know the pressure of this.
Under the supervision of the district magistrate.
The case of the petitioner, that the petitioner is recorded tenant of the land in question, but the Panchayat has constructed road over the land of the petitioner without being acquired the said land by the government in terms of section 44 of the West Bengal Panchayat Act 1973. He submit that in spite of giving several representation, the Panchayat continue with the construction work, and now they have completed the construction of the road over the land of the petitioner. As none appears on behalf of the Panchayat, accordingly, the respondent number
3, my lord.
3, the block development officer Kharagpur 1, is directed to submit.
And as well as respondent number 7.
But since the Panchayat has done, kindly include the district magistrate.
Let first VLR, if it not satisfied, then I will call. If it first
Respondent number 7 is equal.
7 is not appearing.
But I am appearing for.
You are appearing.
State respondent. Respondent number 7, officer in charge, Kharagpur local.
You are not appearing for this 1, 2, 3, 4.
My lord, 1, 2, 3, 1.
State means all, my lord. State means all.
No, not all.
Not all.
Not all.
1 to 4 and 6.
1 to 4
and 6. For not Pradhan.
Not Pradhan.
Why?
Pradhan has a separate panel and they separate.
None appears on behalf of the respondent number 5, Pradhan. The respondent number 3 submit report with regard to the property in question in the present date application, and to specify whether any portion of the land of the petitioner has been utilized by the Panchayat for construction of road. Let the report be filed within 3 weeks after serving the copy to the Landed Council for the petitioner. List the matter on 4th of February 2026 under the same heading.
I can if it order.
As per you.
Definitely.
Next.
Get put your
No, I think if you appear on behalf of the applicant.
Yes.
Applicant. So you can leave granted by the.
But I don't know whether
I have served a copy.
your lordship, this is now the electric connection.
Is electric connection?
Yes.
So I'm releasing it. This matter is connected with the grant of electric connection. Thus, this court is not having the determination to hear the application. Accordingly, WPA number 16961 along with connected applications are released from the list of this court, with the liberty to the parties to mention the matter before the appropriate court having determination. Next. This court find that on the earlier occasion, on 25th of June 2025, this court has dismissed the writ application for non-appearance of any of the parties, for non-appearance of the petitioner on call. According to the full stop. After dismissal of the writ petition for default, the petitioner has filed an application being Can 1 of 2025 for recalling of the order dated 25th of June 2025. By an order dated 16 December 2025, this court has recalled the order and restored the writ application and fixed the matter today. Today, when the matter is called, none appears on behalf of either of the parties, no accommodation is sought for. Accordingly, WPA number 14319 of 2024 is dismissed for default. Next. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಆಯನಿಯ ಈ By an order dated 18 July 2025, this court has dismissed the writ application for default. Subsequently, the petitioner has filed an application being Can 1 of 2025 for recalling of the order of dismissal. By an order dated 22nd December 2025, this court has recalled the order and restored the application, restored the writ application in its original file. Today, again, when the matter is called, none appears on behalf of the petitioner, no accommodation is sought for. Accordingly, WPA number 16108 of 2024 is dismissed for default. Next.
Well, this matter relates to rejection of my prayer for shifting of site of a shifting of site of a liquor license shop. The shop was 50 years old. Pursuant to an order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court by an order of 15 December 2016, the Honorable Supreme Court was pleased to direct that all liquor outlets which are situated within a radius of 500 meters from the national highways and the state highways had to be shifted. Well, my shop fell within that domain, so I had to shift my shop. Well, I made an application, I shifted my shop to a place. In the meanwhile, the Honorable Supreme Court, by subsequent orders of 2017 and finally by an order of 23rd February 2018, were pleased to pass certain recalling applications were made, were pleased to modify that order. And now, according to the guidelines now laid down, my shop fell within the area where I can operate again. In the meanwhile, what has happened? I had shifted my shop pursuant to the earlier order of 2016-15. Now, my shop was shifted to a place where a local agitation started against the running of operation of my shop at that said site. It was also subsequently found that the plot on which I was supposed to shift my shop, I did not open my shop at that site. I had opened my shop at an adjoining plot. My application proceedings was initiated by the department. I paid a composition money and I was directed to shift my shop from that place. Now I made an application for shifting of my shop to the earlier place where I had been operating on the ground that it is an existing site. Now, when I made an application for shifting, the authorities considered my application and they were of the opinion that as an ICDS center and a temple was situated within 1,000 feet, according to Rule 8 of the 2003 rules, within 1,000 feet, if there are educational institutions or a temple of public nature, all these are there, I cannot open my shop, and therefore my application was rejected. My lord, the basis of my application is that I do not deny that they are over there, but I say that since it is an existing site and the rules provide that, it is specifically incorporated in the rules of the 2003, that an existing site shall continue to remain an existing site even if a license which was operative had been cancelled or closed for any amount of time. I shall place before your lordship the rules first.
Who is for the other side?
Mr. Tonoy Chakraborty was appearing on behalf of the state respondents.
What is here?
Today I don't find. Then shall I give a notice to him again?
Issue notice.
Yes, sir.
Though the petition.
Oh,
is
he's.
present-
I've been told that he's coming.
Though the petition is present, but none appears on behalf of the respondents. This court, none appears on behalf of the respondent. According the petition is direct, according case is adjourned, let the matter appear on 29th of January 2026. No, not 29th. 3rd of February 2026. Under the same heading. The petition is directed to inform the next date hearing to the state respondent. Next.
Well, 24 and 25 is similar matter. I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner.
24, I appear for the state. 25, I don't.
Not appear.
No.
I have served my lord, notice has been served. This is my affidavit of service. Can you be But it is taken up together, my lord, 24 and 25. Similar matter.
What is the matter?
Well, matter is regarding the, my lord, the subdivisional officer sent a notice to the petitioners for appearing before him for cancellation of his scheduled caste certificate. After inquiries from the block development officer. I have challenging the block development officer has no power to inquire into the matter. My lord, one thing was a subsequent coordinated bench passed order. I am praying on similar order, my lord.
But the matter is not pending with the division man.
No.
Whether
I am not aware of.
Whether the BDO is having
No. I shall appear before the video and will cooperate. Same order, my lord.
But there is a slight difference in facts in this case, lordship, because I was just going through the order since my learned friend just handed me a copy. In the second page, it says that the BDO hasn't given any report as of now. But I'll hand over a copy of the report, lordship, where the BDO has given a report. I will point it out to your lordship. Point number 5, lordship. The BDO Chandrakona inquired into the matter and sent the inquiry report to the office of the undersigned, VDA memo number such and such. In his inquiry report, the BDO clearly mentioned that the above mentioned petitioners do not belong to SC Rajbar subcaste. Thereafter, lordship, next page, point number 8, the petitioners were called for a hearing and they did not attend the hearing.
So final order is passed.
No, not passed.
Because they did not attend the hearing. That
You do one. I am disposing of this. I'm directing the who will subdivisional officer.
Subdivisional officer.
Subdivisional officer will decide the matter after supply.
Will let the petitioners go back for hearing?
Yes, my lord. Yes.
If you appear, the report will supply to you, and you take appropriate acceptance.
Yes, ma'am.
And they pass.
I shall raise objection before the
Whatever
subdivision.
it
Whatever.
If it is not, if the final order is not passed.
Not passed.
Because they didn't go for hearing.
The order of the block development officer report.
In fact, last part it is written. Therefore, this is to mention that further action in this regard has not been initiated till.
Where is your notice?
Yes, my lord. I have served affidavit of service, my lord.
No. In the here, which notice you challenged?
Yes, my lord. Just a minute.
2023.
2023. Thereafter, my lord.
Page 61.
1 minute, my lord.
24. Revoke the cancel the resign the notice.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
Where is
61.
that order? Where is
Yes.
no.
Yes, 61, page 61. Page
61 is the notice dated 31st July 2023.
Yes, thereafter, my
To your prayer, see. Respondent is revoke the, cancel the, resign the notice dated 13th August 24. Page P16.
E10. Twice, my lord, I have called for hearing.
Where is the, kindly see the prayer C. 13th August 2024.
13th July, my lord, 13th.
13th August,
Video
please.
call for hearing, my lord. Video call for hearing. Thereafter, my lord, subdivision call for hearing on, my lord, 3rd October, on 3rd August 2023. Sorry, I'm sorry.
The petitioner has filed the present writ application, praying for recalling of the notice dated 13th August 2024, issued by the subdivisional officer.
Yes, Ghatal.
Issued by the, what is the number, what is the respond number? Subdivisional officer. What is that, sir? Ghatal, Paschim Mednipur, being the respondent number 6, directing the petitioner to appear before the subdivisional officer. Full stop.
Actually, Lordship, there are 4 such notices.
That's why.
Which is reflecting in my report, which is which has been handed over to your Lordship.
But I have
come to that. Full stop. The learned counsel appearing for the state has submitted the report and submits that the block development officer Chandrakona -1 development block inquired into the matter and sent the inquiry report to the office of the subdivisional officer on 2nd of August 2023. In the report of the block development officer, it is categorically mentioned that the petitioner do not belongs to SC Rajwar subcaste. Full stop. In the report, it is further mentioned that the inquiry report was also communicated with the project officer cum district welfare officer BWC Paschim Mednipur on 18th August 2024. Full stop. On receipt of the report, the notices have been issued to the petitioner, but the petitioner has not appeared before the subdivisional officer for taking appropriate decision. Full stop. Considering these above circumstances, this court finds that no purpose should be served by keeping the writ petition pending. Accordingly, the writ petition is disposed of by directing the petitioner, by directing the subdivisional officer to conclude the proceeding within a period of 6 weeks from the date of receipt of this order. If the petitioner will appear before the subdivisional officer on receipt of the notice, subdivisional officer shall supply the copy of the report submitted by the block development officer, and the petitioner is liberty to take exception to the report. And after hearing the parties, the subdivisional officer shall pass a speaking and reason and speaking order within a period of, ऊपर ही बोल दिया ना, ऊपर बोल दिया ना, ऊपर क्या बोला? 6 weeks.
I am deeply obliged.
Lordship.
One thing, my lord, may I submit, my lord? I have deposited one depreciate court fees. There are the 4 petitioner, my lord. I have deposited one court deposit.
Lordship will kindly consider that 4 times the petitioner was called, he never appeared. So let this be.
It is made clear that if the petitioners fail to appear before the subdivisional officer in spite of receipt of the notice, the subdivisional officer is free to take appropriate decision in the absence of the petitioner. The affidavit of service filed by the petitioner.
I am deeply obliged. My next one, 24 similar matter, my lord. But I have served.
There is no report.
But 25. A similar order, my lord. There was the.
You are having the report? No, your lordship. Yes. Any final order is passed?
No, no.
Any report is submitted by the BDO?
No, your lordship, video has asked for some time for the.
BDO has asked for time.
Not necessary, my lord, similar
For the report, your lordship.
video. The sub-divisional officer,
But here there is no report.
my lord, there's a, my lord, only for,
Both has asked for time, your lordship. SDO and video, both has asked for
but
time.
this is not necessary because
Similar matter, before this matter, in that matter, the BDO already filed the report to the sub-divisional officer.
Yes.
Sub-divisional officer issued the notice to the petitioners, petition not appeared. Now I dispose of the sub-divisional officer is directed to dispose of the grievance after giving an opportunity of hearing within 6 weeks. But here whether the BDO has filed any report or not.
I have no instruction regarding
Okay,
that.
I am fixing it next week.
Yes, your lordship.
kindly dispose of the matter. I have challenging the inquiry
From the SDO.
before the sub-divisional officer. They have made inquiry through block development officer. I am ready to appear before the.
The petitioner has challenged the notice dated 13th August 2024 issued by the petitioner. Petitioner challenged the notice issued by the sub-divisional officer dated 13th August 2024. This court finds that the sub-divisional officer issued a notice of hearing to the petitioner, but the petitioner, instead of appearing before the sub-divisional officer, has filed the present date application. Accordingly, this court finds that no purpose should be served by keeping the writ petition pending. According to the writ petition is disposed of, directing the sub-divisional officer to issue a fresh notice of hearing to the petitioners for hearing and petitioners for hearing, and if the sub-divisional officer is relying upon any report of the block development officer, the report can be served upon the petitioner, and petitioner is at liberty to take exception to the report if any. The sub-divisional officer shall dispose of the proceeding within a period of 6 weeks from the date of receipt of the copy of this order. It is made clear that even after the receipt of the notice, if the petitioners fail to appear before the sub-divisional officer, the sub-divisional officer is liberty to take appropriate decision in accordance with law in the absence.
Well, one thing, my lord, I shall take all points, my lord, before the sub-divisional.
This court has not decided the writ application on merit. All the points are kept open.
I'm deeply obliged.
Next.
My lord, I'll appear for the response.
26, my lord, I beg to appear because the behalf of the petitioner. Here in this case, my lord, my saving account has been freezed. Debit activity of my saving account has been freezed. And your lordship has directed me to serve a further notice to the bank through the, my lord, officer in charge, Horida police station, which I have done. This is my lord affidavit of service.
Which bank?
HDFC Bank, my lord, Horidepur branch.
Horidepur. Is there any person appearing for the state?
No.
Whether the
I'm for the Reserve Bank.
you are appearing for
I'm for the Reserve Bank of India.
Reserve Bank?
Number one.
Yes. What is the case?
Case is that, my lord, my debit activity of my saving account has been freezed without giving any notice.
Where is the order?
There is no such order, my lord.
When
I have written a
when it reflect that it is freezed.
So lordship will find.
DR blocked.
Yes. Page 31. 13.
13.
Yes.
What is block? What is the DR block?
Here also a debit activity.
Debit
Activity blocked.
debit activity. DR
Yes.
Then
Then my lord, I have wrote a representation to the bank.
Hmm.
That is appearing page 30. They have received also, they have not replied.
yes, what is your contention, RBI?
Only Miller HDFC can say. Because what can I say? Unless the
HDFC is not appearing.
In spite of several notice, kindly says the order.
The petitioner has filed the present date application praying for a direction upon the respondent number 2, that is the manager HDFC Bank Limited, Haridevpur branch, to defreeze the saving account of the petitioner. Counsel for the petitioner submit that the petitioner is maintaining the saving account number with the HDFC Bank Haridevpur branch being account number 50100230181 346. He submitted that all of a sudden the bank has blocked the account of the petitioner on
Form 4/7/2024.
4th of July 2024. 2024.
Para 3, my lord. Para 3.
When the petitioner came to know the bank has blocked the account of the petitioner, the petitioner has made representation to the bank, but the bank has not given any reply or reason as to why the bank has blocked the account of the petitioner. Learned Counsel, appearing for the Reserve Bank of India, submit that the bank has not made any report to the Reserve Bank of India with regard to blocking of the account of the petitioner, and as such the Reserve Bank of India is not in a position to make any comments further to the said circumstances. Full stop. This court find that the petitioner has served the notice upon the bank, that is the respondent number 2, but in spite of service of notice, none appears on behalf of the respondent number 2. By an order dated 18th of December 2025, this court has directed the petitioner to serve the notice upon the respondent bank through the concerned officer in charge of the police station. The petitioner has again served the notice, but in spite of service of the notice, none appears on behalf of the bank. This court finds that ample opportunity were given to the bank to appear before this court and to justify with regard to blocking of the account of the petitioner, but the bank has not come forward. There is no document on record under what circumstances the bank has blocked the account of the petitioner. Accordingly, the respondent number 2 is directed to unblock the account of the petitioner, and the petitioner is allowed to operate the bank account with immediate effect. Allow the account within a period of 1 week from the date of receipt of this order. WPA disposed of. Next.
My lord, I am deeply obliged for accommodating me, and my lord, my apologies, my lord, for troubling you.
Now you got the regular chance.
Regular chance. Well, I am deeply obliged. I wanted regular chance only, my lord. Nothing irregular thing is here, my lord. It's a very innocuous prayer, my lord, to travel abroad. My lord, earlier this indulgence was given to the petitioner. My lord, order your lordship will have at page 20. Well, it starts at page 21.
Of can 2.
My lord, can 2 only, my lord. I will not trouble your lordship with the petition, my lord.
Can 2.
It's can 3, my lord. Can 3.
Can 3.
Can 3.
Hey, can 3 kota hai?
Extra copy. No, can 3 ekdom patla erokom. এইটুকুনি can 3.
Can 2.
No, এসে গেছে তো। তোমার কাছে কি অর্ডার করবে? এই তোমার কপিটা মার্ক দাও, নাম্বারটা তুমি নিয়ে নাও। মানে কাল কি করে করবো?
কালকে কি আছে? ও কালকে যাবে।
তুমি আমারটা নিয়ে নেবে?
না না, কি করে
সব লেখা আছে তোমার চেয়ে বলে।
এটাই পারবি।
नहीं है आपके पास नहीं है।
दादा हमार कॉपीটা দিন। My lord, can you take my
my learned friend may see my copy, my lord.
No. তুমি দেখ।
Malad, page 21, Malad, your lordship's pleasure will be to come. Order starts at page 20. 21 was the order in respect of the present petitioner. But there are earlier orders as well in respect of other accused persons. I don't want to trouble your lordship with that, Malad, for the time being.
Yes.
Now, page 28 is the itinerary, Malad. With your lordship's permission, Malad, he may leave tomorrow.
Page 20.
But page 28, Malad. 28. Yes. And he will be coming back on 27th of February 2026.
Delhi to in UK. Meet his daughter as she's studying in.
Now, Malad, there's a peculiar background of this case. If I may just take 10 seconds of your lordship. What are the main proceeding? Very good.
Yes.
Well, I can say only one thing. The purpose of LOC will not remain any further because last time your lordship may recollect that one of the accused traveled to Thailand. Now,
No, we have changed the destination. No, change the destination.
This time UK to visit daughter, from there USA for treatment, from there France, Netherlands for vacation.
But there is no case against me.
So
Yes, sir.
what I humbly beseech before your lordship.
No, I tell the court, tell something. So he want that before all the things is completed, he can enjoy all the.
What I beseech before your lordship, kindly fix this original matter.
Please, my lord. I'm deeply obliged, my lord, to your lordship and thankful to my lord.
Because, my lord, otherwise, this thing.
So when you will be returning on 27th?
27th. Give us a date whenever it's convenient.
I am fixing the first
month's travel. My lord, 1.5 months travel. So your lordship will kindly fix a date.
Please, my lord.
And dispose of this entire.
Absolutely. My lord, he will be also free. I tell you, lordship, the reason being the main proceeding has already been dropped.
And my lord will kindly record my one line that I have objection.
It's not my travel.
The petitioner
is so keen in objecting.
Application praying for leave to allow the petitioner to not necessary. Praying for leave to allow the petitioner to travel from 10th of January 2026 to 14th of January 2026 to visit his daughter in United Kingdom, and from 14th January 2026 to 15th of February 2026 to USA for getting treatment. From 15th February 2026 to 17th February 2026, the petitioner will stay in UK. From 17th February 2026, the petitioner will travel to France and Netherlands. The petitioner will stay at France from 17th February 2026 to 25th of February 2026. And on 25th of February 2026, the petitioner will travel from France to UK. And the petitioner will stay in UK on 25th and 26th of February 2026. On 27th of February 2026, the petitioner will travel from UK to Delhi. Full stop. The counsel for the petitioner submit that on the earlier occasion also this court has granted leave to the petitioner to travel to abroad, and as per the terms and conditions imposed by the petitioner, imposed by this court, the petitioner has complied with the direction and returned after traveling to abroad, has returned to India. Full stop. Learned counsel for the respondent has raised objection and submit that the petitioner is not only traveling for meeting his daughter or medical treatment, but as per the schedule which the petitioner has given in the itinerary, is found that the petitioner is intending to go to abroad for enjoying vacation. Full stop. Heard the learned counsel for the parties. This court find that time to time the petitioner has filed an application before this court and this court has granted. Now, learned counsel for the petitioner submit that the writ petition is pending before this court for the quite long time, and he submit that the affidavits are completed. Submit that affidavit pleadings have been completed. The matter is also ready for hearing, and he prayed for early hearing of the writ application. Heard the learned counsel for the respective parties. This court find that on the earlier occasions, this court has granted liberty to the petitioner to travel abroad, and accordingly the petitioner has traveled abroad and returned back to India in compliance of the order passed by this court. Considering the above, the petitioner is permitted to travel to abroad as per the schedule mentioned above, and to return back to India on or before 10th of return Kolkata, return Delhi on 27th of February 2026, and on reaching Delhi on 27th, the petitioner shall report the IO with this, report the IO of the instant case. Full stop. As the pleadings have been completed, let the matter appear on 5th of March 2026 at 2 p.m. as a specially fixed matter. Can number 3 of 2026 is disposed of. The Enforcement Director and Bureau of Information shall be informed about the petitioner's itinerary, disclosing the date of travel, his activities, and the date of return. The Bureau of Immigration shall forward the undertaking of the petition. You have filed the undertaking? No, full stop. Full stop there. Yeah, you will get the order today itself. It was last oh yeah, like fourth. Yes, fourth will come with the color. Will come with color. 9th March કરી દે. 9th March. 3rd or 4th is vacation, holiday. Thank you.
Online itself,
Yes, what is your place? Correct. Where is that? Where is the reply? Yes. As per the existing provision, so instruction, yes. So now they are telling that you can apply. Now I am recording this. You apply through online. You give the copy. the petition, just a minute, it is recorded that what is your name? Chandra Prince may apply through online mode, so and so, so and so.
Also a website address.
Yes, record. The petitioner being agreed and dissatisfied with the communication dated 5th August 2024 issued by the Registrar General of Marriage, West Bengal, wherein the request of the petitioner for registration of the marriage was rejected on the ground that as per the existing provisions of the West Bengal Special Marriage Rules 2010, no marriage officer can register a marriage of a married couple when one party to the marriage is a foreigner. The petitioner submit that the petitioner is a foreigner. Petitioner is a Australian citizen and is intending to marry the Indian lady. Full stop. This court, by an order dated 12/12/2025, has requested the Learned Counsel appearing for the state to take instruction from the authority whether the petitioner can apply for marriage registration by manual, and the authority can register the marriage of the petitioner if the petitioner apply manually. The Learned Counsel appearing for the state has handed over the communication dated 16th December 2025 issued by the Registrar General of Marriage, West Bengal, wherein it is mentioned that the petitioner may apply, wherein mentioned that inward comma. The petitioner, comma, Chandra Prince, P-R-I-N-S, C nahi hoga, Prince, may apply through online mode using marriage portal within bracket www.rgmwb.gov.in bracket close under section 15 of the Special Marriage Act 1994 to register their marriage under section 16 of the same act as per same act. Full stop. Subpara. As the authorities have full stop. From the said communication, it is found that the authorities have categorical have already directed the petitioner authorities of the view if the petitioner will apply through online, comma, the authorities will take appropriate steps in accordance with law. Accordingly, the writ petition is disposed of by directing the petitioner to apply for registration of their marriage through online portal as mentioned above. And if the petition is applied for registration of the marriage, and if any request is received by the authority, comma, the authority shall register their marriage within a period of 3 weeks, within a period of 4 weeks from the date of receipt of the application of the petitioner. Next. Huh? On the last occasion also you have taken time. As per the prayer made by the counsel for the petitioner, the case is adjourned. Let the matter appear on 15th January. Next. Electricity. Released.
Lordship.
Next.
The electricity matter.
Yes.
Number 5.
No, it is settled. Okay, you will get the order in the website. I will dispose of. इसको ना ऑफिस में भेज दो. If not today, by Tuesday you will get the order. इसको ऑफिस में भेज. उसमें ना ऑफिस में भेज दो, ऑर्डर कर दे. ये पर ऑर्डर सर. Yes. ना
এখান থেকে মেনশন করে
Yes. Who? Ah. Record or not? If list में है, the London Council for the plaintiff, you are for the plaintiff. Plaintiff has mentioned the matter and submit that by an order dated 27th November 2025, this court has fixed the matter for argument on 12th of January 2026 and 13th of January 2026. But unfortunately, the advocate on record of the plaintiff passed away, and as such, it is not possible for the plaintiff to argue the matter on the date fixed. Accordingly, prays for extension of fixing the matter to some other date. At the London Council for the parties, let the February में क्या date है? 26th and 27th of February 2026 at 3 p.m. At 3 p.m. for argument. Yes. Yes. Issuance of passport, why this court? Criminal case is pending. So your client is not having knowledge whether he is having the criminal case or not. So, lookout notice is pending. So 126 को ना next week में कोई 164 को कोई टाइम में कर दो. Next week में कोई टाइम ऊपर कर दो. Yes.
May I be allowed to mention item number 52, Lordship, of today's daily list, Lordship. This is a testamentary suit. I am appearing for the defendant by way of by an order dated 16th of September. This was fixed on 23rd of December at 2 p.m. for the plaintiff's witness action for the PW2. It did not appear on the list of 23rd December, and now it is there in the list from 2nd of January. The only thing is that, Lordship, both the parties in the suit are senior citizens. The defendant is almost in her deathbed, Lordship. So I'm just praying for upgradation of the
number?
matter. Item number 52, Lordship. Of
Hmm.
It was fixed for the plaintiff's witness action.
Second witness is coming.
Yes.
First witness is over.
Yes.
Go to, but, through the special office, the commissioner.
Can be done.
She lives in. I have to take instruction on that. Can it that to be mentioned on any day? Yeah, you take instruction if both the parties are ready to examine the parties on commission. If commission is done,
Kindly keeps the matter on Tuesday at a place at 2
52
p.m.
को रखो.
anywhere. So that
52 को रखो to be mentioned only for taking instruction whether commissioner can
Lordship.
give for instruction.
The interim order is expiring.
Grateful.
29.
At last, it has been settled, my lord. It would be settled. The
It
memorandum-
would be settled.
It would be
So what is the necessity of the
the
though the matter is listed as item number
29 of today's.
29, but due to paucity of time, the matter could not be taken up for hearing. Learned counsel for the plaintiff has mentioned the matter and prayed for actions of interim order. In view of the submission made by the counsel for the plaintiff, the interim order is extended till 12th of February 2026 or until further order, whichever is earlier. Let the matter remain in the list.
The notice has been served upon the.
Next. Yes. Huh? When it is fixed? Hmm. Hmm. Item number? 140 लिखो. Mention in the appellate side. Item number 150? 146. 146. 140. Learned counsel for the petition prays for fixing the matter on 27 September 27 January 2026. Let the matter appear on 27 January. Yes, next.
Number 1 for judgment.
This court finds that the defendant was in unauthorized occupation of the premises since 1st September 2008 to till 29 September 2023. Thus, the plaintiff is entitled to get the men's profit from 1st September 2008 to 29 September 2023. To determine the men's profit, an inquiry is to be conducted in terms of the provisions of Order 20, Rule 12 of the Code of Civil Procedure. So and so is appointed as a special officer to determine the main profit from 1st September 2008 to 29 September 2023 after giving an opportunity of hearing to all parties and to file the report on 27th of April 2026. Next.
All that.
Yes.
There was a clear whatever happened in the petition before we started. Now, on that basis, the SFP order is very clear, categorically on that. Page 36. Paragraph 2, page 36. Fact that
what I am urging allow the section and application. You do not have been done that by or as those were not used that then what you said here, I have number of them says along with the point of says is a time frame within this purview of the section for filing of actually application. It says that once you have your right to file statement has gone, you cannot file a section 8 also. It has to be read into section and there are values that affect by all codes of the whole of the card. I have collected all those cards.
This code is not having prop.
Sir, this calling application I only want that point of section 8. I mean, this was the thing, you know, she that
Where this matter will stop?
No, no, Milord, SLP admitted, SLP dismissed. Or how can you have a recalling of that order? It's not a ground for review at all.
not review, I have not seen review. I have not seen at all review. I can start with
No, no, Milord, it's a maintenance issue.
The problem is these documents specific on the point saying that once your right to file statement is gone, you cannot file a section 8 application.
Whatever it may be, that order was section 8 application be decided on merit itself. Correct, that merit itself. And against that order, you prepared an SLP. Whatever the ground, the SLP is dismissed. But it is dismissed. But it is dismissed. On that ground, so
Now that deviation reports being used in other proceedings is a ground for a failure of the good before this one. Yes.
correct. Why?
Because I am approaching calling of that order by virtue of the point of law. Because that deviation thing that whatever has happened, what those documents, cases, that is all withdraw.
Correct.
Because Supreme Court says this is not a account. This is I withdraw.
Correct.
After having withdrawn, I have come before your lordship to consider without only that point of law whether a section 8 could have been allowed. Lordship will hear me out only on that point. I have lordship can reject my conveyance, but at least I am satisfied that these points of law which have been raised all over the country. I have collected at least 6 documents for all hypothetical documents of all action.
That's correct. I am not on the point whether now at this stage whether the court can consider that point. And on the application of recalling of the order. Recalling of the order on the basis of 2022 order, 2025 you filed an application.
Disposed of matter recalling does not like us.
Whatever has happened, I cannot.
Let's bite the bullet, Milord. SLP was admitted, appeal number was put, SLP was dismissed. So the order of the learned.
So you are not filed. You not filed the review of this order.
It's only on that review comes when I have agreed.
So correct on that stated then the court has to heard on merit. The Supreme Court has not stated that the trial court can heard on merit again.
We appreciate I can wait for a review. Because I have these are ground. For this order, I do not find any ground.
Why not ground, sir? Why not ground? If the Honorable Supreme Court is dismissed on the short ground, so you have a good ground that the other ground has not been considered.
It's for review. I can approach your lordship because of that point of law.
Okay, you argue what are the citation you give, I will dispose of nothing, no problem. I cannot say I will not hear you. Court has to hear what the application, but I don't think.
I think for 4 and 3 and 4.
Okay, come next day.
They are the since they are not they are not filing statement now. It is them who have gone before the arbitrator and said we have to file a statement of the here and now.
Statement of
15 is the date for last date of filing. This is any date, any time before 15 so that
15
Achha. So you are also realized when they asked for the time of the filing the statement of claim, then you went to the searching of the return statement. Where is the return statement? Then you find that there is no return statement.
But this is the privilege we are. This is the.
You do one thing. You do one thing. I am keeping on next week. What the compilation give to the other side? First, let him satisfy that the court has jurisdiction. আরে দাঁড়াও না আমাকে সাবমিশন খারাপ 3:30 আছে বুঝলি I need to take a demurrer point that once an SLP has been dismissed, the court retains the jurisdiction to rehear that same matter. Let him cite. Let him cite one judgment where an SLP is admitted. SLP happy. Answer it. Answer.
I do that. Because the SLP has been dismissed only on that.
SLP appeal.
Appeal has been dismissed.
Not
Appeal
appeal has been dismissed.
There is a difference got between an- special petition and the appeal.
The petitioner.
No way. No way.
The petitioner has filed the present application for recalling of the order dated 22nd of December 2022. Police counsel for the respondent raised preliminary objection with regard to the maintenance of the present application. Consider this, police. Let the matter appear on 20th January 2026. Yes. It will come as 20th as the time. You will not get the time. My time is already fixed. All if you find the time, then it will go to the first week of March. Then let it be list. Yes. Heritage property.
Yes, sir. And concern yes, I have what has happened in this case that the building admitted to building is the bigger admitted to it is not habitable. Even major portions of the building collapsed and it is on records.
The building is a heritage building.
Yes, not heritage, but they have included, not
Correct, included subsequent declared.
Normally, they have included my property in the heritage building list. Whether they cannot do, subject to my scanning approval, there is a judgment of our Honorable High Court, division bench, single bench, where it has been held. The basic thing regarding classification of building, they did not frame any rules. And the Honorable Division bench directed that to frame the rules regarding classification, yes, whether it is A, whether it is B, whether it is C, whether it is D. Here in my case, they have admitted no such proceeding was taken for declaration of my premises certificate. And we have kindly
So now what? Why you mention the matter?
everything is ready. Why not kindly it's especially fixed matter, but it's a very interesting point of knowledge.
Both are the similar matter.
Similar. But they are only just
but the second one, because the second one is not right now with me. I felt the next one.
What I am sorry. I have only a rented. In spite of having my home, for the last 1.5 years, I am.
Okay, I will decide. The matter is listed to be mentioned on the prayer made by the counsel for the petitioner, plaintiff, petitioner. Counsel for the petitioner submit that the affidavits have been completed. The matter is to be heard on merit. Full stop. Learned counsel for the respondents file affidavit in opposition after serving the copy to the learned counsel for the petition. Let the same be kept with the record. Where is your reply? Filed. No, no reply is there.
Yes, everything was fine.
Okay. Affidavit in opposition to the supplementary affidavit. Let the matter give the koi date hai, koi date to hearing. I am fixed. 24th February at 2 p.m. No, 3 p.m. At 3 p.m. February. February. January there is no. First week of. I have no diary. Kindly see my diary. Already full. Because only I am getting 1.5 hour. See the fixed 3 p.m. matter. Mr. Sen is there. He's waiting for that, but could not be taken. I appreciate, but I will take. Okay, I am fixing 2 days so the matter can be completed. 25th and 27th Feb. 25th and 26th February. कब है? अभी तो डेट दिया 24 खाली था 25 फिक्स है फिर और कौन सा खाली है no only 24th is vacant if you want to 24th okay next let it complete
The first application version is already heard.
Already heard.
And GF4 version that is nothing but
A replica.
They are saying whatever which I am saying, they are saying in GF4 this should not be done. So I think
both that's why I kept yes where is the affidavit
yes I also filed
have you filed the reply Mr. Banerjee filed the reply quarantine yes affidavit in opposition filed by the defendant affidavit in opposition in connection with GA4 of 2025 be kept with the record. Learned counsel for the petitioner in GA4 of 2025 prays for extension of time to file affidavit in reply. Let affidavit in reply be filed by when what is the date from 8 January 2026 3 weeks will be 26 by 3rd of February 2026 list the matter on 6th of February 2026 I am not fixing a time let it come if the affidavit complete then I will let the come will sit Okay, now let it come on, let the affidavit come. Yes. Yes, who is the other side? Yes. Ah, what can be done? What is the, where is? Okay, leave 5 minutes, let the original side go. No. This. Original side says. এটা এই बाबू ये देखो उनका क्या कौन सा फाइल नंबर है देखो 52 सीरियल नंबर देखो कौन सा है आज का जो है ना 52 फाइल दो हियरिंग होगा उनको अर्जेंट है कुछ फिफ्टी टू है 52 है जस्ट अ मिनट Yes. Page. 43. Yes. Huh.
For 3 years experience in type and my lord, which the appropriately every 2000
Correct.
Now the shooting notice was kind of 2 years, 3 years, the appropriate will start from every from the year. Your losses can equal to 1.8. 3 Roman 12.
Yes.
Working experience of similar supply of water to the 200 beds, government hospital, hospitals for 2 years in last time.
Where from you are reading?
3 Roman 12.
3 Roman 12.
3 Roman 12.
Agency should have annual turnover of rupees 40 lakhs.
No.
Roman 12. Credential. Okay. Yes. Working experience of similar nature, cook diet supply of work with minimum 200 bed government hospitals for 2 years in the last 5 years.
This is contrary to the annexure.
Okay.
And this annexure feature challenge to this honorable court, and which was affirmed by the honorable division bench, clearing that the order which is issued by the government, that is annexure P4 and P5. P4 and P5. Page Malor, 49. 49 order of the division.
Page 49.
49.
Yes. Yes, then
Page 153. That is number 153. Serial number 4. See the
153.
Page 153. Serial number 4.
Yes.
Each and every prepared meeting is to general notice. We applied and raised the objection that this type of credentials should not be mentioned.
Then
This is
okay. Yes, same.
Power and discretion of state lordship to formulate the terms and conditions of tender. Happens to be my lord that only it is my lord the arbiter or my lord wanted to extend.
Jagdish Mandal.
My lord knows that my lord that judgment is the right of it, but the Michigan law my lord knows that.
Subsequent Jagdish Mandal.
My lord, the also the judgment.
No, that is not here. Only kindly clarify. Kindly come to the page 43. 43. Yes. Page 43. Yes. There only contention. You clarify this. Page 43. Annexer P3.
Yes.
A. The period of 3 years as mentioned in clause 3.1 in the above mentioned order means service rendered after 2011 to 11. So 3 years. Correct. Now they are telling that now kindly come on to 128. Page 128. 128 credential certificate. Working experience of similar nature of work with minimum 200 bedded government hospital public government undertaking hospital for 2 years for the last. So their contention is that if the government order says that it is a 3 years, why it should be 2 years?
Similarly, my lord, challenge to also other tender at page number
152. 152. Yes. 152. They are telling that the pre-bid. Yes. Yes. 152. And now they are telling that in 153. The pre-bidding meeting, they have raised the objection, but the authority are not considered. So whether this.
These 3 pages are all finally come to page 43.
Yes.
At the top. At the top. It was issued by Government of West Bengal, Health and Family Welfare Department, Village Branch, Shastro.
Yes.
No need to look any further. Then kindly compare it to the tender. So that was issued by the
Central.
other department entirely different. Now kindly again come to my lord that 120. Who issued this tender and my lord the was exploited. Notice it back page number 120. Government of West Bengal Direct Rate of ESI, MB scheme, second and third floor Lily Block, sector 3, Salt Lake, notice by me tender for, kindly come to my lord, serial number 1, or para 1. Directorate of ESI MB scheme West Bengal invites e-tender from bona fide registered eligible and resourceful agency for supply of food diet to the indoor patient at ESI Hospital Peru, ESI Hospital Peru by ESI authority under the Labor Code. Now, Lordship, I will come to my lord that another tender that is my lord at 152. At 152.
Yes.
Government of West Bengal, Director of ESI MP scheme, e-tender number such and such, serial number 1, Directorate of ESI MP scheme West Bengal invites e-tender from bona fide registered eligible and resourceful agency for supply of food diet to the indoor patient at ESI Hospital, Shialda.
Yes.
Now, our condition is that, my lord, kindly, my lord, come to Lordship, my lord. That kindly come to my lord. Response number 7, Director of ESI, West Bengal. The response number 8, Superintendent of ESI Hospital, Shialda. And the response number 9, that is Superintendent of Beru ESI Hospital under the administrative control of the Secretary Labor Department, Government of West Bengal, not under the department. They do not have any scope to comment about the matter related to Department of Health and Family Welfare. Total policy different, everything. Then, my lord, after that, 13 numbers of ESI hospital provided their tender at the middle of it.
Yes, yes.
For supply of food diet individually, set the terms and conditions exercising their own discretionary power, abiding by the rules and orders set by the Finance Department, Government of West Bengal. There is no discrepancy in that ESI hospital 13 number. All are same tender. The hospital authorities, namely ESI hospital, Manipura, Uluberia, and Kamara, as mentioned 8, 11, provided their tenders individually till 2024. Individually. Now, this is to be mentioned, all the ESI hospitals provided their tender for the supply of diet for the time period of 2 years from the date mentioned in the engagement order, which may extend for the period of another period. So next page, this is also to be mentioned. The references regarding petitions as cited by the petitioners are not related to the director of ESI scheme West Bengal. The judgments which my article relied upon an additional all regarding that again one. So why and there are also the last part one. There are a large number of participants who participated in the same tender process. They did not raise any objection regarding the clause in last 5 years. The same tender. So the objection only given to the petitioner that yes. Now, my humble submission is this comparison between the minor of tenders department, whether that is not minor the sustainable in law in this case. Because the ESI totally defined and minor we have our right with regard to minor we obtain the condition in the tender. And then we know that it is arbitrary or
Yes.
inconsistent with the law or rules of law. My humble submission.
Thank you. Yes.
My conclusion is zero issue by the government because their mother back order was challenged before the economic books are no other was obtained by the state government or mother very person so that it remains valid until and unless.
But kindly come to page 43. Pursuant to the London High Court's order so and so, the period of 3 years is specified and others in clause 3.1 section 6 of general conditions of contract order. General condition of contract order that said general condition of contract order not applicable to the other general condition. Their general condition is different. So how it can be? General condition every CPWD is different, PWD is different, railway is different. It is the department wise. They are framing their own guidelines, general conditions, and sometimes it will come with special conditions. So if it is health department, how the health department will come with the ESI? ESI under how it can be? No, no, it is the labor department. It is there. Correct. The order reflects itself. Order issued, but the before this court, the order not the general conditions of the total West Bengal, general conditions of the health department was there. That's why you show me this general condition. What the condition you are showing? Page 43 and page 128. Page 128 is the general condition of the health department. Show me. The same condition is the health department. Health department is taking care of the same condition. They have not. Yes, ESI is having the same condition.
My contention is that it is not a similar nature of work.
I appreciate, but each and every department is having their own rules and regulations. They have framed their own terms and conditions, which they have put in the tender document. Now you wanted the terms and conditions of the other department is to be put in the other department. It is not possible for the High Court.
It's 47 months. It's 47 points.
46 third paragraph. And 46 in the facts of present case, the health department has issued the memo. Health department. It is not the general condition of the total West Bengal government. So what do you want to withdraw? Or you will give trouble to me? Withdrawing. Though the petitioner has argued the matter at length, but after hearing sometime the counsel after arguing sometime the land counsel for the petition press for withdrawal of the writ application. Accordingly, WPA 29900 of 2025 is dismissed as withdrawn. Take your learned friend to have a coffee. You retain 20 minutes here. And allow him to appear before this in spite of the bar resolution. Yes. Yes. No, it's okay. No problem. No problem. Now I have kept. That's why I told you, because before 3:30 I have no time. So I told if you're ready to come at 3:30, you come at 3:30. Yes. No, in my list, there's an urgency. Achha, order is there.
There was directed that we, at the top. What is directed?
কি হচ্ছে রে দাদা, एक काम करो, इसको ना मंडे टॉप में, ट्यूसडे टॉप में करो. टू तो ऑलरेडी फिक्स्ड. ओ दे मंडे ट्यूसडे देखो कोई टाइम है क्या? ट्यूसडे दोनों टाइम फिक्स है. Both 12 and 2 both fixed. What is the matter? Admission of students. So it will take time. 14th को 12th. हाँ. 12 दो फिक्स कैसा हुआ फिर? स्पेशली फिक्स नॉर्मल कैसा होएगा? टाइम होएगा ना. 12 बजे फिक्स है कोई है? खाली है. 15th को 2 बजे. 15th at 2 p.m. 15th at 2 p.m. और 15 2 p.m. स्पेशली फिक्स मैट, उसको लिख दो, उसमें लिख लो और यहाँ रख दो, उसमें कर लेंगे. 15th at 2 p.m. स्पेशली फिक्स मैट. ठीक है, यहाँ रख दो, उसमें कर. Eight of the original side. Original side staff left. My staff's left. When's the next tomorrow?